The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, an excellent choice, is a smartphone specially designed for technology enthusiasts, offering flagship features in a more accessible package. Also known by its model number SM-S731B. This device proudly carries the legacy of the Galaxy S series in both its design and hardware. The Galaxy S25 FE offers a slim and lightweight structure with dimensions of 161.3 by 76.6 by 7.4 millimeters and a weight of 190 grams. Its premium haze finish and armor aluminum frame give the device a stylish look, while the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection provides superior durability against impacts and scratches. The IP68 certification ensures full protection against water and dust, allowing you to use your phone safely even in the most challenging conditions. One of the device's most striking features is its 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This LTPO panel, offering a 1080 by 2340 resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate, delivers an incredibly smooth and vibrant visual experience. Thanks to its peak brightness of 1900 nits, you can easily see the screen even in the brightest sunlight. Powered by Samsung's own 10-core Exynos 2400 chipset built on 4nm technology, the Galaxy S25 FE, combined with the Samsung Xclip's 940 GPU, delivers seamless performance even in the most demanding games and applications. Supported by 8 GB of RAM, this powerful processor allows you to switch between multiple tasks smoothly. This model, available in navy, comes with 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for all your photos, videos, and applications. The Galaxy S25 FE is equipped with a triple rear camera system designed for capturing professional quality photos and videos. The 50MP main camera, featuring optical image stabilization, captures clear and sharp shots even in the most dynamic moments. This main camera is accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera with a 123-degree field of view and an 8MP telephoto camera capable of 3x optical zoom. On the front, there is a 12MP selfie camera that can record 4K video. With the Galaxy AI-powered ProVisual engine, you can enhance your shots with artificial intelligence and express your creativity with features like generative edit. Its 4,900 mAh battery ensures that it won't let you down, even with a full day of heavy use. With 45W wired fast charging support, you can charge your phone up to 69% in about 30 minutes. It also features 15W wireless charging and wireless power share, supporting the latest connectivity technologies like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4. The S25 FE also offers a lightning-fast internet experience with 5G. Dual SIM support provides the flexibility to combine your work and personal lines on a single device. Coming out of the box with Android 16 and the One UI 8.0 interface, this device promises a smart, fast, and secure user experience.